everyone, welcome to another mini picture from Rita Berman's winter book, and this absolutely gorgeous rabbit, I couldn't resist. I saw him when I was colouring this log yesterday's video, and I was like, I've got to do him, but we're not going to do him in traditional rabbit colours, I don't think. I have seen him done in some really cute colours actually, and we're going to do something similar. I'm not sure who it was I saw, so I can't credit them, which is a bit naughty, but mine aren't going to be the same. So Bunny is going to be coloured in pinks and purples. I think it's just a bit of fun. I'm just gathering a few pencils to the ones that I want to do this with, and we'll have a go. Okay, what I'm going to do, you can watch and see what you think. I'm going to start with a Flamingo Pink, and I'm going to put that on the one side of Bunny's face. I'm going to make Bunny a transitional colour across Bunny's body, and the idea is that it might look like we're in a sort of wintry scene where the light is reflecting on Bunny's white fur in a strange way. That's my thought. Let's see if it works. So there is my first pink. Then we're going to move to the pink Plum Purple, which is a much darker colour. So I'm just going to try and transition it across as flawlessly as I can. Now I'm going really lightly over the top of the pink that's there already, and then a little bit more heavily. I'm trying to take it to about halfway across each item that I'm colouring. Then we're going to go with our really dark purple, which is the Amethyst, and again overlap slightly, keep a delicate light touch. And just slowly move across the Bunny. Too, no? And then our last colour that I'm going to do is the I don't know, purple, and just fill in the gap really and overlap a little bit. And this is really quite light colouring, and I think that's what's needed. We don't want really intense dark pinks and purples for Bunny. As I was saying, I'm sort of thinking reflective snow, but I can see quite a bit of paper through, so I quite like to burnish it a little bit. I'm actually going to use a blender. No, I'm not. I'm lying. I'm going to use a white. I'm going to use a Prisma white over the top of the whole thing, and it will bring the colours together. Just checking my white is clean, but it would also make them look a little flatter and sort of more pastel-y, I suppose, is what I'm looking for, the words I'm looking for. Now I haven't done the ears, I've just realised we need to do those. So there's our main part of Bunny. Not sure that white is actually improved. In fact, I think it might have done the opposite. But let's do the ears. So we're going back through the colours again. So the Flamingo Pink first. I'm going to sort of ignore the that marking. And then the Plum Purple next. Then the Amethyst Purple. Oops. Let's get you in shot. There we go. Sorry, that was terrible. And lastly with the Ubi Purple. There we go. And over again with the white. Oops, I'm just moving the book all over the place. It's not very helpful, is it? Now, there we go. Now, what I'm going to do next is hope that these, well, actually, we might not do that next. We might do the clothes next and then we'll draw the fur on after. Let's do the hat and scarf. They're really cute, aren't they? I'm thinking blues will work for those. I'm quite keen on this one. This is the Robin Egg Blue. I think it's going to look really cute. I'm going to do it for the base of the hat. And I'm just basically filling it all in at the minute. I'm not thinking about shading. And now I'm going to go back over the bottom bit, which I think will be a little bit darker, just to make it more intense colour wise, like that. Now the scarf, we have a pattern and we have a stripe. I'm going to make this back one plain and a little darker. So I'm going to put a few layers on there. And then this bit is a bit lighter, and I'm going to miss out that star. We do that in a different colour. And we'll do sort of a stripy thing going on like that. And then on here, we'll do the narrow stripes like that. Then we'll grab our other colour. I know what I want. I don't think I have. I think I'm going to do, yeah, this one. Turquoise. You may think, ugh, that's vile. But I just fancy having a go. I think it might have been June Colours that I saw. I think that's a bobble. And I think she did sort of turquoise and pink bunny. It was on Rita's free download that she did for this year, which unfortunately if you haven't got, you've now missed, because she only had it available for 15 days. I haven't coloured it yet, but I downloaded it, so I've got it. But I've got so many lovely things to colour. Right, there is our bunny in his scarf, and now I'm going to use our white Posca to do some fur on Bunny. Can you see? Yeah. You want really small lines because Bunny is really small, and we want to be able to see the colour through still, but just make Bunny look furry. I think direction. I'm not going to put any other of the eyes because they've gone quite dull from the Prisma anyway, but you can go over the hat edge and the edge of the scarf. It really helps with fur to do that. And Bunny would have fur. It's fun, isn't it? You can just do them as many as you like. I try and think about direction a little bit, so having it a little bit random can work, but like on the feet I'm thinking it's all going to go downwards, but you want to overlap some of the lines so that it looks like the fur is coming over things. Like the edge of the scarf or the edge of the arm or whatever. There we go. I'm actually going to draw over Bunny's face. I think I have got a black pen here somewhere. Bear with me a minute, because I think the eyes and the I've only got the glaze pen. Oh no, it's not. It's just a Sakura. This one will do. I'm not sure if this is a glaze pen or not. This is a Jelly Roll 06 black. I don't know if it's a glaze pen. It's number 49. I'm going to use it for the eyes and nose so that you can see them, because they need to stand out, I think. And the whiskers. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it. I think this bit needs it too, actually, just because it looks odd if I've done a bit and not all of it. There we go. I'm going to leave it there. The only other thing I'm going to do is the snow above Bunny's head in the sky there. I think that's snow. I'm going to do it in the same way as I did the snow down here. So using my periwinkle blue, I'm going to start darker in the bottom and lighten it to the top, so there isn't much at the top at all. And then get my Posca and just block off the top just a bit, just a splot. It's a very official word, splot. Now we've got these stars of snowflakes there. I might do them all over in a silver gel pen at the end, but I'm not going to do them now, just because there's lots of them. They're just being used to fill up spaces on the page, and I want to make sure that they sort of match everything, so I'm not going to do them. But we're just going to leave that there for today. So we've got a little bunny, a furry bunny, which is rather cute. I haven't actually gone over the edges of the ear in the same way I have with the body. You could do that, but I'm thinking the ears might be just brushed nice and flat. I don't know, that's the way my mind works, so that's why I've done it that way. But there we go. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that was okay and fun. I think he's rather cute, so I hope we've done him justice. Yes, so thank you and happy colouring.